How many apps do you have on your phone to try to help with your property management business? Probably a lot. Well, I can help break down that list and find the best apps for you. We all know that there are countless apps landlords can use to help them manage their property business. The real question is, which one of those apps are worth their salt? Which apps can help streamline your property management efforts so you can do more with less hassle? So I went through all the apps and made an ultimate list. These are the 11 best apps for landlords and property managers. Now, I have 4 categories here: listing and renting properties, prepping units and properties, rent tracking apps, and all-in-one property management apps. So starting with listing and renting properties, my first app is Showing Hero. It's designed to automate the showing process for your units and properties. If you find setting up showings to be a pain or simply time-consuming, this is a tool that could save you both time and stress. The app is essentially a communications management tool, including several valuable features such as streamlining all calls and email communications, managing appointments from within the app, screening leads, and easily following up with applicants. Every day that goes by without a unit being filled is costing you money. If that's a problem you're facing or you find the process of managing showings to be a pain, Showing Hero could definitely be worth trying out. Next is RentBerry. Similarly to Showing Hero, RentBerry helps streamline the process of bringing in new tenants. However, where Showing Hero focuses on managing showings, RentBerry focuses more on managing applications and applicant communications. If you feel you have showing aspects down or simply prefer managing applications, this might be a better fit. This is one of those apps for landlords and property managers that offers various features, including tenant screening, tour scheduling, and having prospects and tenants sign and complete applications from within the app. Next is Ask a Lawyer. Okay, so I am cheating a little bit on this one because it's not technically an app. However, it's a great mobile site with an easy to use chat function that's smooth on mobile. As a landlord or property manager, you know there are books full of laws and regulations attached to the sale, renting, and managing your properties. Managing all this is generally pretty straightforward, particularly if you have an attorney who handles everything. However, there are times you might not want to pay $100 to talk to an attorney for 5 minutes, and you need some quick advice. That's why Ask a Lawyer made this list. Ask a Lawyer is one of the only apps for landlords and property managers that allows you to get inexpensive legal advice fast and without any strings attached. The service makes its money from memberships. However, the trial fee is just $5 to get an answer from an actual practicing attorney, and then you can cancel your trial immediately. The next category is apps for prepping units and properties. These are tools that are useful for prepping units for showings to maximize your number of applications and save you time. Our first one is Tap Inspect. It's an invaluable tool, and not just because it saves you time. If you find you're not great at documenting and storing inspection reports, Tap Inspect can make the whole process around getting inspections done easier. Plus, it makes sure you have clear and thorough inspection records in one particular location. That makes retrieving them easier and covers you just in case. The app is simple, but it does its job well. Plus, you can try it for free, see if it works for you before you pay for the regular membership. My next app in this section is Room Planner. Considering how vital interior design is to influencing prospecting tenants and buyers when they visit your property, this one offers a ton of value. Room Planner is one of the more unique apps for landlords and property managers. It has a snazzy 3D floor plan app that works on virtually every smartphone imaginable, from iPhones to iPads and any Android. With Room Planner, you can create realistic looking floor plans and will ultimately impress your prospect tenants and buyers. The app has a pretty smooth UI, and there are hundreds of different elements to choose from to design your floor plan. You may not be able to choose the exact furniture item you have to place inside your unit. However, there's enough choices that you can generally fill the room with the exact style you're going for to get a good idea of how the room can and should look with similar items. Now it's time to make sure you're tracking rent payments efficiently, and that's where these following apps are going to come in hand. First, we have Rentmoji. Rentmoji is a rent tracking mobile app with a pretty clean and straightforward design. There are things the app doesn't do, but if you're looking for a simple solution that gets the job done, this will help you track your rent payments more efficiently. Plus, the app offers many integrations that make it easy to use with other tools to do certain things you can't do with this app. The app includes features such as accept automatic rent payments, communicate with tenants from the app, and lots of integrations. The only negative thing about Rentmoji is it's on the steeper side when it comes to price. You'll have to contact Rentmoji sales team to get more about the pricing though. Next is Landlordy. They're an iOS and Android app that allows you to manage rent payments. The app is unique in that it offers a free version. However, you're pretty limited in terms of features. With the paid version, you can manage rent payments and get access to basic accounting features and reminders. The free version applies to accounts with one property and tenant lease, while the most basic plan starts at $14.99 per month and offers additional features such as data backup. Next is Landlord Studio. They're an iOS and Android app that offers a few more features than Landlordy. However, while Landlordy has a bit of a clunky UI, Landlord Studio is more intuitive and easier to use. Some of their other features include expense tracking, tenant screening, and account reports. However, keep in mind that while it offers more features than Landlordy, its feature set is thin compared to more complete property management apps for landlords, like those in the next section. So, speaking of, that brings us to our next section, all-in-one property management apps. They often provide features that allow you to streamline and in some cases even automate many tasks involved in managing your properties. So if you manage a large number of properties, then these could be some good solutions for you. First, we have DoorLoop. Our very own DoorLoop offers both a cloud version and smartphone app, making it easy to access from both your desktop and your mobile device. Compared to those rent tracking app options, DoorLoop offers a complete list of features, allowing it to be an all-in-one solution for your property business. Some of their features are a complete set of accounting features, including multiple payment methods, including credit card and ACH, expense tracking, and a full chart of accounts. We also have a convenient tenant portal where you can automatically collect rent payments and even communicate directly with tenants from in the app. We have a maintenance order management system that allows you to assign and track jobs, edit work orders, and a ton of more valuable features. Typically, a complete feature set like this can come at a great cost. However, I can get you 50% off your first 2 months with DoorLoop with the link in the description, and we have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Prices start as low as $49 per month, billed annually for your first 20 units. Another option is Rentec Direct. They're an all-in-one property management solution that offer features such as a cloud and desktop version in addition to a mobile app, lease tracking, and a tenant portal. Rent Direct's pricing is somewhat unique as you can choose which features you'd like to pay for. However, that can be both benefit and a con depending on what you're looking for. If you're looking for something simpler, Rentec Direct will function more similarly to the basic rent tracking apps in the previous section with a few extra features, though considerably more expensive. If you choose to opt for additional features such as a basic screening package, that'll cost you starting at an additional $7 per month. And our last option is Property Matrix. They're another all-in-one tool and it offers similar feature set along with an intuitive UI that's easy to navigate. If you're looking for more customization and accounting options such as customizable reports and in-app document signing, this may be a good fit. However, keep in mind that this is a full enterprise software as their basic plan starts at $400 a month. Their basic plan covers up to 250 units and additional units would be $1.50 per unit per month. So all of that being said, and all of these apps, what is the best app for landlords? I did name a few options for property management solution, but of course I think DoorLoop is the best option. But you don't have to take my word for it. Once again, you can get 50% off your first 2 months with the link in the description. So just go click on the link, check it out, scroll around on our website, and you can let us know if you think it'd be a good fit for you. So comment down below what apps you use or what you'll be trying from this list. Overall, I hope that this list helped you find some good apps if you're a landlord or property manager. And if it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more property management and landlord content.